Hello children, today is Gandhi Jayanti, 2nd October, and I am going to tell you the biography of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is lovingly called as Bapu, and he is also called the father of our nation. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, a coastal town in present-day Gujarat, India. His father, Karamchand Gandhi, belonged to the Hindu Modh community and was the Diwan of Porbandar state, a small princely state in the Kathiawar agency of British India. Gandhiji had his schooling in nearby Rajkot, where his father served as the advisor or prime minister to the local ruler. In May 1883, 13-year-old Mohandas Gandhi was married to 14-year-old Kasturba Bai. On 4th September 1888, less than a month shy of his 19th birthday, Gandhiji travelled to London, England, to study law at University College London and to train as a barrister. His time in London, the imperial capital, was influenced by a vow he had made to his mother in the presence of the Jain monk Becharji upon leaving India to observe the Hindu precepts of abstinence from meat, alcohol, and promiscuity. Here you can see a picture of Gandhiji with his wife Kasturba when they were in South Africa in 1902. From 1891 to 1893, Gandhiji attempted to establish a law practice in Mumbai, which proved unsuccessful. He returned to Rajkot. Gandhiji later on went to South Africa, where he stayed from 1893 to 1914. Here he had to face discrimination towards Indians. This caused an awakening in him towards social injustice. How he took part in the struggle for Indian independence. That is the time from 1915 to 1945. Returning to India in 1915, Gandhiji returned from South Africa and started living in India. He spoke at many conventions of the Indian National Congress, but was primarily introduced to Indian politics by Gopal Krishna Gokhale, a respected leader of the Congress party at that time. Gandhiji takes up a leadership role. Here in this picture you can see Gandhiji is preaching to a group of people. And here also he is interacting with his followers when he is in a train. Gandhiji on Salt March, Gandhiji on Dandi March. Gandhiji employed non-cooperation, non-violence and peaceful resistance as his weapons in the struggle for against British rule. In Punjab, the Jallianwala Bagh massacre of civilians by British troops, also known as the Amritsar massacre, caused deep trauma to the nation, leading to increased public anger and acts of violence. Gandhiji criticized both the actions of the British Raj and the retaliatory violence of Indians. When he was arrested, he continued his non-violent protest through hunger strikes. Gandhiji became internationally known, so the British government could not afford to have him harmed or have him die while under arrest from a self-imposed hunger strike. At this time, he had become a world figure without doing anything violent. The British couldn't ignore him. They had to talk to him. Here you can see Gandhiji was called to London for talks. A picture shows over here his home on Downing Street, London in UK. Gandhiji intensified his demand for independence, drafting a resolution calling for the British to quit India. This was Gandhi's and the Congress Party's most definitive revolt aimed at securing the British to exit from India. In this picture you can see Gandhi and Nehru in a happy mood talking. In the next picture you can see both of them are discussing some issue after the Indian independence. Another picture here shows Gandhiji with Jinnah, the leader of Muslim faction in 1944. In another picture you can see Gandhiji addressing a huge gathering. Gandhiji led a very simple life. Here you can see some pictures showing the simplicity of his life and the work he liked to do. Gandhiji is spinning thread. Here Gandhiji is reading a newspaper, sitting where his charkha is also placed, and Mahatma Gandhi's room at Sabarmati Ashram. Gandhiji helped India to get independence. India became independent on 15th August 1947. At that time, the Hindu and the Sikh refugees streamed into the capital from Pakistan. Gandhiji started fast unto death. The fast ended when all the representatives of all the communities signed a statement that they were prepared to live in perfect amity. Let us now see some inspirational quotes of Mahatma Gandhi, which inspire people to this date. Actions. What kind of actions one should have? You may never know what results come of your actions, but if you do nothing, there will be no results. Here he means to say that you should be a man of action. You should always be ready to do something. Next, the future depends on what you do today. Your future will depend on what you are doing or working for today. Struggle. Strength does not come from winning. Your struggles develop your strength. When you go through hardships and decide not to surrender, that is strength. Gandhiji said, "Be the change you want to see in the world." This is a great message for the youth, that if you want to see any change in the world, you are the person to initiate that change. Happiness. Gandhiji said, happiness is when what you think, what you say and what you do are in harmony. Means your action, your thinking and what you are saying should all be in harmony. Then only it will give you happiness. So this is all I have to tell you today about Gandhiji. Thank you, children.